Hey guys, in this video I will share best Bybit referral code. So you can get up to 20 USDT sign up bonus, up to $500 on $100 deposit. So first of all, open Bybit application and then click sign up in top right corner. Then you can enter your email address. After that, create a strong password. Now the most important, enter the referral ID. The referral code claim 50 I have given in the description, and invite link is also given in the description. You can check, or in the first pinned comment. After that, verify your email with the verification code. Now you will get this pop-up to verify your identity. So if you verify your identity, you can unlock all basic features of Bybit. So in my case, I will use my ID card to verify my identity. Once again, you have to select your issuing country, and then you can verify your identity. This is very simple, guys. Then again, open Bybit homepage and then click this icon, rewards up. So you used our referral code. So guys, this is the best bonus for you. You can claim 20 USDT instantly by just using our referral code. And again, one more exclusive benefit you have is deposit 100 USDT or more to get 500 USDT worth of positions. Now one more thing, 30,000 USDT deposit blast. So you can check all the tasks available here and claim all the available bonuses. So this is a very special boost to your new crypto journey. Then you can deposit crypto. I will recommend you to deposit USDT because you will get those bonuses. So before you deposit, you must complete your identity. I have shown you how you can do it. So